The Mosalogic Indoor Insect Killer, as one of the flagship products of our Mosalogic brand, boasts powerful insect-killing capabilities. In this video, I will showcase the strengths of this product in all aspects. As an upgraded version of the trap, it uses the same three types of UVA light, 365 nanometers, 395 nanometers, and 450 nanometers, as mosquito sticky traps as attractants. It contains no chemical substances and physically eliminates mosquitoes, making it safe to use in the home. Flying insects are killed instantly by high-voltage electricity upon contact, and the side button allows for adjustable current settings to suit your needs. The brush included in the package is a cleaning tool used to remove the dead insects. If you're frustrated and helpless about the flying insects in your home, give this indoor mosquito killer a try. It can better help you create a more pleasant living environment.